Hey everybody, Fred here with redlinemusclecars.com. This is our 1973 Camaro. It's a Type LT. Beautiful cranberry red paint. It is a true code 75 cranberry red car. It's got a steel cowl hood, 5-spoke Z28 wheels, really nice chrome, incredible finish as you will see in this video. 350 automatic, no rust anywhere ever, original floors, pans, quarters, all of that. Very nice black bucket seat interior. Look at that shine all the way through. It is gorgeous. Under the hood is detailed nicely. You can see the code 75 cranberry red right there on the trim tag. It is a front disc brake car, power steering, no air, great running car, lots of chrome, lots of really nice finishes. It is a 255 horse 350, not a 270 horse 350. But look at the chrome, look at the finish all the way across. Love the 2-inch cowl hood, looks great. It's a steel hood. Hey y'all, really nice chrome, really nice glass. The doors open up and shut easy. Got a thumping little cam in it. Certainly not the stock 250 horse that they had. She gets up and goes. Runs really great, lays straight. 5-spoke Z28 wheels with BF Goodrich radial TAs. Look at that finish. You can see the gas pump right there. Really nice roof. All the paint is beautiful. It's got a space saver spare with the jack tool. It's got a prop rod. Nice finish on the trunk floor. Nice jams, weather strip, decals, the whole 9 yards. Incredible chrome. I know of one paint flaw in the entire car, and it's right there, a little star. I mean, look at the clouds and the paint finish, all of that. Great sounding exhaust. Awesome running car. It's got the horseshoe shifter in it. Really nice black interior. Dome lights work. Nice weather strip all the way around. Really beautiful door panels. This is a nice car. Shut firmly, hood shuts firmly, everything lines up right. Check us out at redlinemusclecars.com. Call or text Fred at 580-221-4326. Thanks, y'all. Have a blessed and awesome day.